Hi everyone. I just wanted to film this tree and film the rain running off it. It's absolutely, I've never noticed it before. Look how it's just pouring off there. And it's not really raining hard at the moment. It is raining. I'd say it's sort of like average medium rain. It's just starting to get harder now. The joys of it. I'm getting soaked. But it's just really strange how it's just running off the tree. And it's running off the tree so much, it's making its own little... So that's that one. It's coming down here. It's making its own little stream. Going into there, which is running off down the pavement. But yeah, look at that. And that is just water, rainwater running off a tree. Absolutely mad. Look at that. That's just like a river coming off there. I've never noticed that before on a tree.